Come on. Alright, so guys, we're back again.
We're gonna see who's fidget spinner.
Whose fidget spinner falls off first loses. So this is the challenge.
I'm the kid. I'm the one.
If it falls off, and mine's still going.
A little bit. Mine's just going. Yours is going.
Yes, mine's gonna fall off.
Yes. Mine's didn't fall.
Alright, so